morning. We are in Sacramento, California this morning, where we have just completed an installation of a Norman shutter. This is a Bifold 180 on a sliding glass door. The Bifold 180 has probably been on the market for maybe close to 10 years. I've been selling it, but it's still something a lot of people are not familiar with, and it's a little difficult sometimes to explain, so we're doing this video to show you how these work. This is a 4-panel configuration, which is most sliding glass doors. That's a typical panel configuration. What the Bifold 180 does that nobody else does, is it goes back like this, and then it actually returns all the way back to the wall. So you're gonna see this type of configuration on lots of windows. You will not see this on any sliding glass door applications other than Norman's Bifold 180. So again, this side does the same thing. It's gonna go all the way back. So what this does is it's going to allow for full exposure of the window. You have your view. A lot of times we're selling bypasses that slide in front of each other, and so you're kind of, with that application, you're always losing part of the sliding glass door. So this is just huge because it opens it up. The other traditional bifolds that you will typically see on sliding glass doors, they're still 4 panels and they come basically all one way. They stack the same way the door opens. However, those will project out like this at a 90-degree angle. So what Norman has done with this Bifold 180 is pretty innovative, and basically it's going to allow the entire door to be open and have a full view. As you can see, I'm going to go ahead and close these again for you to show you how these operate. You're going to put the left one is going to close first, just like a standard shutter. So you are going to close it like this. Right one's going to go over the top this way. They have these little metal tools that you can use to open them, or you can touch the shutter itself. This particular shutter, we have a divider rail here in the center, and that's going to be required again for anything over a certain height, which pretty much any door is going to require that. And then that also allows the top and bottom to operate separate. So you can have the bottom part closed for some privacy or light control. You can have the top part open. So this again is the Norman Bifold 180, just giving you a lot of options that you likely have not seen before.